Well, good morning, friends. I had a leisurely morning this morning here at Skidaway State Park in Georgia. It's by Savannah. Man, I slept great. This was such a peaceful campground in spite of the fact it's really full of people. Amazing. Awesome. So I'm going to go do some exploring in Savannah today. I hope you'll come along with me.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
So I am starting out this morning in one of the little squares. This is Chippewa Park in Savannah. Check it out. This is so beautiful. I have never seen a plant like this. Does anybody know what this is? Check it out. That's cool. Yeah, I did not realize Savannah was going to be this packed. There's nowhere to be. Nowhere to park. Cool. So the traffic in Savannah was just getting me down. There's a lot of cars there, a lot of tourists. Couldn't find a place to park. So I was trying to just get my way out of the madness, and I saw a sign for South Carolina. Guess where I am? Yep, South Carolina. So I'm going to go check out Hilton Head. Why? Because I'm here. Yeah, so I pulled over here to regroup, and the only place I could find that was quiet and that I'm allowed to park and didn't have to pay. You guessed it, I'm at a cemetery. So there's not a geocache here, bummer, but yeah, it's quiet and it's beautiful. Yep, I'm going to head on down the road. Go to Hilton Head, shall we? Alright, so I decided to take my bike out here on Hilton Head Beach. It says you're not allowed to have any motorized vehicles, but it does say scooters and things are okay for disabled. So I'm going to call it okay because I can't walk. So yeah, check this out, you guys. This is pretty. And I'm not going to take my bike very far because I don't want to get in any trouble or piss anybody off, but check it out. Sometimes it's really hard to be me, you guys. So I put in closest public beach, and my GPS took me here. And there was some street parking with parking meters. So I got out, I put some change in it, but it didn't take my money. It didn't give me any more time. It took my money, didn't give it back. Anyway, so I just went down to the beach real quick, came back up because there was still 19 minutes left from the last guy that was parked there. So got back just in time, and my time was up. Well, I just went right around the corner to this Chaplin Park, I think it's called, and it's free parking all over the place. Nobody else is here. And I mean literally right around the corner. Grr. So anyway, I'm going to get my bike back out and go for a bike ride. I've got my drone. I'm going to try to fly my drone. It's going to be a good afternoon. If I don't get lost again. Day. It's February, y'all. And I wish I had my shorts on. I'll do this for a little while. I'm just chilling here on this beach. I got my butt in the sand. It feels a lot warmer than 70. I'm getting a little sunburned, but yeah, I'll take it, man. I'll take it. This is just fabulous. Now, yesterday at Tybee Island, the wind was blowing like crazy. Today, not even a breeze. This is really nice. And it seems like a real shame to get this close and not put my feet in, so I'm going to go do that. Yeah, I'm going to ride my bike down a little closer, though. I just can't walk anymore, you guys. My right hip is shot, so thus the e-bike. So, yeah. I would love to just scamper out there, but I can't. the tide's going out. It's getting further and further. Oh, this is so beautiful. Beautiful indeed. So I had a great day today at the beach. I'm so glad I went down to Hilton Head. I will try Savannah again tomorrow. Maybe I'll get out earlier and that way I can find a parking spot. But anyway, I've got some dinner on the grill and then I'm going to go get a shower. But yeah, looking forward to a nice steak I stopped at Kroger's and got. So yeah, these no-see-ums are about to drive me nuts. Might have to get a campfire going even though it's not cold. It was in the 70s today. It's supposed to be in the 80s tomorrow. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate you coming along on my little adventure. Y'all, stay lost, my friends. Don't let the no-see-ums bite. Little toots bite. And there you have it, folks. A great meal to end a great day. I am starved. I'm going to dig in.